So hello guys, this is Tom from FJ Dynamic. So you can see here is the solution we make for some sprayer like this one from Amazon. It's like 10 years old. And here the solution we make, you can see here first we have Wi-Fi CAN box, we have Isobus cable, and then we made some special cables for the bulbs. So in this way we can transfer the old machine like 10 or 20 years old machine into Isobus. Then you can connect with FJ AG1 via the Bluetooth CAN bus. Wi-Fi CAN box, and also you can also use the cable here connect with our steering system like 82 HMX or Stereo Network OK. So we make this design because first you can transfer other valve into Isobus, and also if the customers you have they order like ATS from FJ Dynamic, the valve from FJ Dynamic, you can also transfer the valve into Isobus. That means use our solution. It doesn't matter what kind of brand it is. Just you find a correct pin cable on here, and then the machine will works like Isobus, and then you can connect with our steering system. Also, you can use a third party like the original one from Tractor, also or the terminal or the steering system support Isobus. Then you can use all the valves on them. And for example, the oldest one like 10 years old, if it support Isobus, then it can work.